to New Beginnings, to Cindy and Luciano, who are leaving.
And Fernie, who's staying.
And I'm staying. And to Grandma Helen.
Right, who went to heaven today. She graduated, today being September the 30th. What time did she go, Luch?
11:35.
11:35. She met Jesus.
So here's to friendships that are forever and ever and ever. And to Grandma Helen.
Amen.
All right, let go, let go.
It got stuck on my nose.
It got stuck on my nose. There they go. Oh. And AJ.
Get above the trees. Above the trees. Above the trees. There you go.
There they go flying.
Above the trees.
It's coming back.
AJ, do those two balloons, one of them blew out of your car?
No.
Yeah, I saw it go up in the tree.
It's not.
It's not, there's two balloons there?